today's short tutorial you will learn how you can cast on without running out of yarn. You need two strands of the same yarn. You can also work this with one yarn ball, and at the end of the video I will show you how, and a knitting needle. Work a slip knot into both of the yarn strands. And place your knitting needle into the slip knot. And now you can start your normal long tail cast on. You have one yarn ball at the end, at the back of your work, and one yarn ball at the front. The yarn ball at the front will be your tail yarn. The slip knot does not count as a stitch. When you are finished with your cast on, you can cut the yarn strand that is hanging to the front. So we will leave the yarn strand at the back because this will be the yarn which we will be working, and we cut the yarn that is at the front of our work. This trick is really useful to know because a year ago I had to cast on 400 stitches and I ran out of yarn at 380 stitches. So I was really frustrated, and this is where I learned how I can cast on without ever running out of yarn. So when you're finished with everything, you are going to undo the slip knot and start knitting in rounds or rows like usually. When you have only one yarn cake or yarn ball, you can use the yarn strand from the outside and the yarn strand from the inside. You are going to make a slip knot like before, and then you are start casting on your stitches. When you are finished with casting on, you are going to cut the yarn tail and you're going to undo your slip knot again. Thank you so much for watching today's quick tip. I hope you have a lot of fun while trying it out, and I would be very happy if you let me know in the comments down below how you liked it. So thanks again. Stay healthy until next time. Bye.